Hi, I'm Brent Baum, Battalion Chief with Heartland Fire and Rescue. Emergencies can happen at any time, and often you won't have time to pack. That's why it's important to build a kit ahead of time so you're prepared when disaster strikes. It's important to have a kit that can support your family for 14 days. A cooler with wheels makes it easy to store and move if necessary. Make sure to pack a gallon of water per day per person. And don't forget your pets. Also, make sure to have a good supply of non-perishable food items packed away in a pouch or stored in cans. Be sure to include the date of purchase on any food items and make sure to write what's inside the can in case the label comes off. Be sure to include any first aid supplies in your kit as well. Don't forget personal hygiene items like toothpaste or a toothbrush. And lastly, be sure to include any important documents as well. A solar-powered or hand crank radio can help you stay informed. Don't forget some comfort items like books, games, and some toys for the kids. A kit should cover the basics in case you're ever stranded or need to evacuate in a hurry. Keep it packed in a backpack. It's easier to carry, keeps your hands free, and can quickly be grabbed in an emergency. When disaster strikes, you'll be ready. So build a kit today. Your future self will thank you. For more information, visit Heartland Fire and Rescue on Instagram or check out our website at www.heartlandfire.org.